Hi, my name is Liz Thompson, and I'm going to go through the content of my course to show how I have incorporated social justice into the content of IME 315. So this is a picture of my Canvas page, and I think that the first thing I do is I talk about this thing. You'll also learn about financial considerations how financial considerations fit into the wider concept of engineering in our world. So I initially just say that's kind of important sort of learning objective. Just so you can see the way my course is organized, so you understand what it is I'm doing, is I have a course logistics, which is like a syllabus, and then I have all the content for each of the weeks. Here is information for studying for the first exam, and then this is information for the second exam. And then finally, I have projects. So if I just went into just say the first week, which is the introduction kind of. So what I start with is in my pages, I have them organized sort of chronologically or in order of what I expect you to do. And the first thing I start out with is assumptions. The idea that we need to understand the assumptions in the place that we're working, and being able to design and enter into a complex world. So the first thing I do is this little video on systemic racism, and you totally can watch it if you want. I also included a pretty recent Fresh Air from NPR about systemic racism, and then I asked them to do a comment in a discussion board, and you can see here that lots and lots of students comment. It's very, very active. They comment on each other's work. Some of the things are a little bit harder to manage, but many of them are just are really great, insightful comments. Then I go to what is capitalism, because in this class we talk a lot about money and making money, and so I wanted to have a conversation about that. And then I actually go into a couple videos I created on sort of the content, what is investment analysis, and then how to use Excel. And then I have them talk about buying a stock, because that's one of the things I wanted. And they hook to Robinhood here, so they have some real life access to stocks. And then this last section is, does money make you mean? So this is kind of the content for the first week. And then if I go to the second week, which is on accounting, I've included my content here about teaching about accounting. But then I also talk about the concept of this is about how to read annual reports, but I also talk about the concept of a triple bottom line, and how to understand that within the context of accounting, which is the idea of accounting for something beyond money. So I have 10 of these modules, and they all have sort of this mix of content related to the financial analysis, and then also content related to social justice or the context in which we do engineering work. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm writing a paper right now about it for ASEE, but anyway, thought I'd share that with you. Bye.